Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an active Savana account, verification done, and a payment or credit source attached. Once logged in, navigate directly to the stickers or rewards section to begin. Make sure you've reviewed any eligibility rules or regional limits first. These control availability. Then scan the available sticker packs and note prices, costs and credits, or claim conditions so you can decide which ones to target right away. Once you've picked a pack, proceed with the purchase or claim flow step by step. You'll either spend credits, apply a promo code, or complete short actions like watching a video or completing a survey to unlock free options. Make sure to confirm the preview and rarity because some packs include limited designs. After you authorize payment or finish the unlock task, wait for the confirmation screen and then tap Download or Add to Collection to finalize. To finish, open your collection and verify the sticker set appears and is usable in chats or editor tools. If you expect cross-device access, make sure syncing or cloud save is enabled so stickers show up elsewhere. Re-download if needed. If something goes wrong, transactions fail or stickers are missing, retry the purchase flow, clear the app cache, and only then contact Savana support with your account and order ID for help. That usually speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.